Hello Stu Leonards, we are so excited to be here today to show you a great new product for your stores called Nana Flakes. 100% pure dried bananas with so many different applications for your customers. Baking, cooking, muffins, cookies, smoothies, baby food, you name it, this product can do it. The first part of our video, we're going to be showing you our manufacturing plant in New Jersey, where they package our Nana Flakes for us in many different ways. The second part of our video, we're going to show you a smoothie that's made with our Nana Flakes. It's a great application for it, one of many that you can use it in. So sit back and enjoy.
Welcome to LRM Packaging here in South Hackensack, New Jersey. We're in a 60,000 square foot facility. It's a modern facility. We do many kinds of packaging here. We do standard pouches, tubs, single serve pouches, stick packs, you name it, we can do it for you. We are environmentally conscious here. We make 80% of our electricity with solar panels on a roof. We recycle over 200,000 tons of cardboard a year and about 100,000 pounds of plastic per year as well. We're here to talk to you today about Nana Flakes, a product from ND Labs. They've been a customer of LRM for over 20 years. It's a great product, a great company, and it's been a great addition to Stu Leonards. It's great for cooking, for muffins, cupcakes, breads, pancakes, ice cream sundaes, yogurts, puddings, almond butter as a fat reducer, smoothies, lattes. It's vegan, non-GMO. It also has many natural remedy effects. For instance, many people manage diarrhea. It creates firm stools. It stimulates appetite, relieves pain and burning of heartburn, great source of potassium and fiber and vitamins. It boosts your energy post-workout recovery, and 2 tablespoons equals 1 banana. It's available in many kinds of packages. You can have it in a standard pouch, a PET jar, a stick pack for single serve use, you name it, we can do it. Stu Leonards customers will love it.
Hello and welcome to today's edition of In the Kitchen with Nutritional Designs. Today we're going to be featuring our Nana Flakes, 100% pure banana, no preservatives, no additives, made from the freshest bananas. This is shelf stable, can stay in your pantry for up to 2 years, and is resealable, so it's available whenever you want it. I'm sure many of you have had overripe bananas like this, or bananas that are green that you are waiting for them to get ripe, but not with Nana Flakes. They are available when you want them and when you need them. Today we're going to be featuring a smoothie made with our banana flakes. This is how they come, and 2 tablespoons are equivalent to about 1 medium banana. That is one of many applications you can use the Nana Flakes for. Nana Flakes are great in your cooking and baking, for cookies and cakes and muffins. You can also use it as a fat replacer or as an egg replacer. It's a great addition to anybody's kitchen for any foods that you'd like to prepare. So today we're making a strawberry banana smoothie with peaches and mangoes. You can use fresh fruit, frozen fruit, whatever you have available, or a combination of the two like I'm using. I'm going to add in some almond milk for liquid, as well as a few ice cubes to keep it cold. So we'll start off by putting in some of our strawberries into our jar, some peaches, and again you can use any amount that you like depending on the flavors that you like, some mango, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the Nana Flakes. Again, you can use more, you can use less, depending on how much banana flavor that you like. A little almond milk, and a few ice cubes to get it going. Close it up and blend in the NutriBullet. So quick. Just open it up now, pour it into a glass, and enjoy. Delicious. What a great way to use your Nana Flakes.